everyone! So this is my Walgreens haul for this week, May 10 to May 16, 2020. So in this deal, I only used 10,000 points, equivalent to $10, because I don't have much points or reward to use. I only go to Walgreens once a week or whenever my health and my energy permit it because of my cancer. So here are some of the deal in Walgreens. So the diaper, the pull-ups and Huggies is 2 for 18 or 2 for 15. There is a digital coupon. And the Downy and the Tide Simply is $2.49. And there is buy one get one free Blue Diamond almonds. There is not much deal. And there is 10 times everyday points. And I don't know why in Walgreens here my booster is not working, even they try to clip it in the store. So there is 2 for 3, but in the store here it's still 2 for 4. So here are some of the deal. I'm trying to be quick. So there's buy one get one free bottles, tumbler or mugs. And this one is, the Persil is $8.99. There is $3 digital coupon in Walgreens app. Not much deal for this week. And this is the razor, and there's buy one get one 50% off. And this one is buy one get one 50% off, and there's $3 insert coupon for this razor. And I only grabbed the Colgate. There is $1 off, and you can print a 75-cent printable coupon of Colgate in colgate.com. There is a coupon also for mouthwash and Colgate Optic White. There is no Colgate Optic White in the store near us. And pampers. And more of vitamins here. And in this part, there is buy one get one free for batteries. And in the last part, it's there's cereal and the Lays. So I did 3 transactions for my deal. So let's start with this first transaction. So first I got the Purex. So the Purex is buy one get one free, and the regular price of that is $5.99, and it's on sale. So the 2 are equivalent to $11.98, but it's on sale, so I grab one and get one for free. So $5.99 or $3 each. So it's a nice deal for detergent. And then I got also the Colgate Advance. So it's buy 2 and get 5 reward or 5,000 points. So it's $4.99, and the 2 are $9.98, but it's on sale for $3.99. So I grabbed 2 for $7.98, And then I use one digital coupon for $1.75 printable coupon from Colgate.com. So my final costs are $6.23. I pay $6.23 and I got 5,000 points or $5 equivalent. So the final cost after that is $1.23 or 62 cents each. It's not a bad deal for Colgate. Especially I got the points that I use for another deal. And then I got also the Chris toothpaste. So there is a $5 digital coupon in my Walgreens app. But in this deal, even I checked in the store and also if it's attached to that deal, it does not work. So the Chris toothpaste is $3.49 and the two are $6.98, but it's on sale for $2.99. So that it's $5.98 for two. And the cashier is very kind enough that she gave me a $4 coupon for that because she said that the system is not working. So thank you so much for the staff of Walgreens. So my final cost is $1.98. And then I got 4,000 points for that. So it's on sale for $2.99, and when you buy two, you will get 4,000 points. And still a money maker for me. I got $2.02 money maker. And then I got also the special Kellogg cereal. It's $4.79. And the two are $9.58, but it's on sale for 2 for $5. So I grabbed 2 for $5 and I use a dollar manufacturing coupon for that. So my final costs are $4 for the two Kellogg's Special K. So there is no other flavor. This is the only one available in the store. And then I got also a Vaseline. So I like using Vaseline in my feet, especially when it's cold. I like putting it in my feet and then socks. It warms my feet. The Vaseline is when you spend 12, you will get $3 reward or 3,000 points. So the cost of that is $6.49. So for the two, it's $12.98. And then I got 3,000 points or equivalent to $3. So my final cost after the points are $9.98 for two or $4.99 each. And then I grabbed also an M&M. I ate already. So it's on sale for 99 cents. So in this deal, I paid a lot because I only have $10 rewards to use. So the total of that, so this is my receipt. So my subtotal is $32.53. Then I use the $10 rewards or 10,000 points that I had for that transaction, and I end up paying $22.53 for this item, for the 10 items. And then I got 3,000 points for Vaseline, I got 5,000 points for Colgate, and 4,000 points for Chris toothpaste. And my closing balance at that time is 13,320 points, equivalent to $13. So this one, I redeemed 10,000 and got another points. And then I use my $10 rewards or 10,000 points in my second transaction. Those are the points that I get from the first transaction. I got again a Colgate total. So I use 75 cents coupon that I print out from colgate.com. And this is my note. So for 2 Colgate, it's $7.98. It's on sale for $3.99. Then 2 printable coupon for $1.50. So my final costs are $6.48. Then I got 5,000 points or equivalent to $5. So my final amount is $1.48 or 74 each. And then I got again the special Kellogg's cereal for $4 for 2 items. So they are the same also. So it's on sale for 2 for $5 and I use a $1 coupon. So we're stacking cereal because we love eating cereal in the morning. Then I got also the Listerine. So Listerine is spend 10 and get $5 reward. So I did not notice that they are different. So the other one is ultra clean and the other one is Cool Mint, because they are in the same aisle like that. So I just grab it without looking what's the flavor of it. Then I got also the Ready Tubs Listerine. It's 8 tablets. So the Listerine is, the first one is $6.29 and the other one is $4.99. And then the Ready Tubs is $2.99. So in regular price, the amount are $14.27. Then I used $2 coupons in mouthwash that I had. And then I used a $1 coupon also in Ready Tubs. That's why I only paid $1.99. So the 3 items are equivalent to $11.27 after using $3 coupons. And then I got 5,000 points. So the total amount after the points are $6.27. So I got 5,000 points from Colgate. I got 5,000 points from Listerine. Total 10,000 points for this second transaction. And this transaction, I only paid, the final amount are $22.43 after tax. Then I redeemed 10 points that I got from the first transaction. So my final amount is $12.43. So this is my receipt for the second transaction. So I just rolled the points in my transaction because I don't have any rewards. So I'm rolling the points. So I redeemed the 10. And then my closing is 13,490. So 10,000 bonus point and 170 everyday points. And this is my last transaction in which I'm so happy. So in these transactions, it's buy 2 for $18, 2 Easy Up. And the regular price of Easy Up is $12.99 each. So the 2 are equivalent to $25.98. But because it's on sale for 2 for $18, I use also the $3 digital coupon that I clip in my Walgreens app. So After using the 3 digital coupon, my amount is $15. And then I redeem again the 10,000 points or $10 reward from my second transaction. So my final amount is $5. So this is my receipt. So my subtotal is 15, and then I use 10,000 points or $10 from my second transaction. So I paid $5, and my closing balance is 3,570. So I'm not able to acquire a lot of points because I started from $10, then I just roll it until I able to get the pampers. So I'm so happy with this haul, even I paid a lot, because the original price, the total amount of all of these items are $112.70, and my out of pocket from first, second up to third transactions are $39.96. So I save a lot. My savings from these transactions are $72.74. So I got 2 pampers. This is the 45T size, the size of the pampers that my daughter is using, but only at night because she is a potty training already. And then I got Listerine and Ready Tops. I got Kellogg cereal. I got 4. I got Vaseline, and then I got also Colgate toothpaste. I got Chris, another Colgate, and Purex. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please be safe and God bless you all.